Hey guys, Brandon Lyons USA here, and today's video is going to be on the DPM guide rod assembly in the Glock 26 Gen 5. This DPM guide rod also works in your Gen 3 or your Gen 4, just so you know. But let's see how this thing works. This is a brand new Glock 26 Gen 5 with some Ameriglow sights on it. Pull a couple of those shots low just because it's so smooth recoiling. Wow. Try to do the old limp wrist. So guys, in this video I'm going to show footage of this gun obviously, and also the Glock 26 Gen 4 FDE that we also thoroughly tested with the DPM, because I never uploaded that content. So you guys are going to see footage from this gun and the other gun in this video. Starting now.
First magazine down. Try to go for a little bit of speed here. It's going over the shoulder. Shooting that X-Steel dueling tree. Okay, here we go.
So the guide rod's working good.
Yeah.
How's the recoil impulse with it?
It's easy, man. It's easy.
And what are we right now? 15 yards away?
I'd say like 13, 14 yards away, yeah.
Okay.
Work that one. Last magazine, 17 rounds out of this X Grip Glock 17 mag, shooting the Glock 26 with the DPM Systems in it. Yes.
Special thanks to Remington for sponsoring our channel, and we're going to be shooting some 124 grain FMJ ammunition.
Beretta 9mm USA here, and today in the Miami Classic Galco rig is a Glock 26 Gen 5. And we're going to be shooting that for the first time today. It's got the high-vis front orange sight, and we're ready to go to town with this brand new Glock. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me see if yeah, I did. It was hot. All right, here we go. Used to be my absolute favorite small pistol, and I haven't shot one in years. Maybe that's why. I shot it well. Wow. It's like an old friend coming back to roost here. I got to tell you, this sight in the front is like magic. Check out that front sight post right there. So it's night sights all the way around, but the orange sight in the front does make a difference. Here we are left-handed. This will be a little slower. And on a different target. And that's it. So a Glock 26 Gen 5.
With the DPM guide rod assembly.
Yeah, the recoil pretty damn easy here, guys. And these DPM systems, they just work. I'm over 50 guns now, I think, with DPM systems.
Yep.
And once I put them in there, they stay there. Yep. And they last a lifetime. So if that's something that interests you, check it out. All right, young Beretta, you're up next.
All right, and back to it with the Glock 26 Gen 5 now. One last mag here. Remington 124 grain. Super smooth, you guys. DPM products are absolutely amazing, you guys. If you're interested in this product, I'll put some of the specs here. The price is going to be listed in euros because you're ordering it from Greece. DPM sponsors quite a few competition shooters, and competition shooters use their products. So it tells you guys anything as far as how reliable these products are. People that win matches, compete for a living, use their products. And we've been using them for years in our self-defense pieces. They are amazing quality, highly recommended by us.
And they make 45 ACP recoil much less, and same with 40. And as far as 9mm, it's less recoil. It's faster for second, third, fourth follow-ups.
Absolutely. Anyway, guys, that's all for this one. Thanks very much for your support. Please hit that like button for us to let YouTube know that you like our content, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. And remember, your Second Amendment is worth protecting.